So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix McDonald's app something went wrong. Please try again, cache and server. Fix 1 is force close and restart. In iOS, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause. Swipe right or left to locate the McDonald's app, reopen it and try again. In Android, open device setting, navigate to app, select McDonald's app, tap on force stop. Second fix is clear app cache in Android. Open your phone setting, go to apps and find McDonald's. Tap storage, tap clear cache and clear data if clearing cache doesn't work. Through this will log out you. Third fix is reinstall the application. Delete or uninstall the McDonald's app from your phone. Restart your phone. Download the app again from the App Store or Google Play Store. Fourth fix is check your connection in VPN. Poor cell signal or VPN conflict can disrupt app communication with restaurant servers. Toggle your device to airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it back off to reset the connection. Disable any active VPN as they may block secure network requests from McDonald's. So thanks for watching.